So where do we find the information that we need? Here are a few examples. Start with stakeholders, like potential trainees and managers, top leaders if you can get an appointment with them. Ask them to tell you what they need in terms of training, development, learning opportunities. Review the organization's short and long-term goals, as well as the goals of the training and development system. Conduct a culture audit and a climate survey to better understand the norms, the traditions, the lingo of the work environment. Collect and analyze performance data from as many people as possible and for the organization as well. Take note of the HR department's training needs. Try to better understand the technology that is used by your organization and any training needs associated with that technology. We also want to collect information about the limitations, the constraints of the current training situation. Again, the more data we collect, the better our decisions tend to be. If we identify that a performance gap exists and we decide that training is necessary, we can move to the next step of the process, person analysis.